Welcome to Vehicles Bro. Today we are going to discuss about Dodge Ram 1500 transfer case replacement cost. Are you wondering about replacement cost of Dodge Ram 1500 transfer case? Well, it will range between $2,000 to $2,800. At first, let's see the estimated cost, then we'll see how much different steps can cost. Minimum total cost could be $1,500 to $2,000. Where maximum total cost is $3,000 to $5,000, and the average total cost $2,000. Initial diagnosis cost $150 plus. This is for a basic inspection that entails lowering a floor jack beneath your truck, loosening some bolts, and inspecting the condition of your transfer case. Equipment cost. This is the part where you will be surprised. If you must buy your transfer case from a dealership, expect to pay around $4,000 for an OEM replacement. But you can get a remanufactured transfer case between $1,000 to $2,500. Labor cost. In general, if you are going to do it by yourself, you should keep a budget between $400 to $600 for laborers. Labor rates vary in some places, it might cost an additional $100 or more an hour. Service charge. Depending on which type of replacement transmission case you opt for, service charges can range from around $400 to over $1,000. If you buy recycled parts, it can save up to $2,000 on new parts. However, if you get the job done from a service provider, 2013 Dodge Ram 1500 transfer case replacement cost will range between $2,000 to $2,800. Hope you now got some idea. Thanks for watching.